Title: SEC's new deadline against Ripple. Will they drop the appeal? The SEC has been given a strict deadline, January 15th, 2025, to file their appeal against Ripple or risk dismissal. This recent order from the Second Circuit Court of Appeals sets a high-stakes date, with the court making it clear there won't be any extensions. What does this mean for Ripple, the SEC, and XRP? On October 31st, 2024, the court granted the SEC's request to file its appellate brief by mid-January, but it came with a warning. If the SEC misses this deadline, the appeal will be dismissed. Prominent defense attorney James K. Fillon brought this to light, saying, "This order marks a pivotal turn in the case. Now, the SEC has 75 days to lay out its case against Ripple." The appeal is largely based on Judge Torres' previous ruling, which found Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP on exchanges did not constitute investment contracts. The SEC now wants this decision reviewed entirely afresh, without Judge Torres' reasoning. They're also reviving aiding and abetting charges against Ripple's executives, Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse, which were initially dismissed. Among XRP fans, there's buzz that the SEC may actually drop its appeal before the January deadline. Dan Thurman, an XRP community member, thinks SEC Chair Gary Gensler's departure could prompt a case withdrawal. If a pro-crypto administration takes over, especially with the upcoming elections, supporters speculate that the SEC may shift its stance. This SEC versus Ripple battle is heating up amid U.S. election season. Some in the crypto community believe a potential Trump return could be favorable, given his promise to remove Gensler. Many argue Trump's leadership could bring a more crypto-friendly SEC stance. With the court's hard deadline, high-profile legal battles, and election dynamics, XRP's future hangs in the balance. Whether the SEC presses on or drops the case could define the future of crypto regulation. Let's keep an eye out for what happens next.